Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Algo Trader. This is Praveen here, and today I'll be explaining how to automate your trade using our customized trend trading tool in tradingview.com. To start off algo trading, you mainly require three things. First is a tradingview.com account, and next is next level bot subscription, and the third one is a good stockbroker. So today in this demo I'm using Elise Blue as my stockbroker. In simple words, algo trading happens when an alert for the sell or buy is triggered in tradingview.com using our customized trend trading tool. The next level bot will place an order in the live market using API service provided by the stockbroker. Before we proceed further, if you are new to tradingview.com, next level bot or Elise Blue, and if you like to open an account with them, please use the link provided in the video description. Let's have a quick look on the video description. Okay, as you can see, first link is to open an account with tradingview.com, and you can open a free account first, and if you're satisfied, then you can go for a paid version where many other features get unlocked. And also here you can get the pricing of our trend trading tool. We offer trial for 3 full working days so that you can actually experience the accuracy of its output before you invest money on it. All you need to do is just WhatsApp your TradingView user ID so that we can activate your tool. And next you can see is a link to open an account in the next level bot, and further down you can see the link to open an account with stockbrokers Elise Blue and Fires. We always recommend Fires over Elise Blue. Both have pros and cons. Those we'll cover in different videos. So friends, let's get back to the topic, and first thing first, we have to set up the bot. And to set up the bot, we need API service from stockbroker, and this is one reason why I prefer Fires and Elise Blue. These two brokers provide API services free of cost. As you can see in next level bot front page, over here there's a subscription fee of 499 rupees, and including GST it comes around 521 rupees as of today for 1 month subscription. I found this next level bot as very cheap and convenient, as they are quite reasonably fast on all orders, and orders get executed within 5 seconds time. Okay, so for setting up bot engine, first go to dashboard, let the page open. Okay, once the page is open guys, please click API credential right over here, and let's wait for it to open. Okay, as you can see, 4 inputs are required to set up your API credential. First is the app name, and you can put TradeBot or next level bot, and in the type you select Elise Blue. Okay, in API key please input your Elise Blue client ID, the normal client ID which you are using for login in Elise Blue, and in the public key please input you have to input your client secret code. Okay guys, so this client secret code will be provided by Elise Blue technical team, and you have to request by email to Elise Blue technical team to provide your client secret code. I'll show you the format and also give the format in the video description so that you can copy and paste and send an email request to Elise Blue. They normally replies within 24 hours. You have to send email to rasind.r@eliseblueindia.com, and your email body should be like this: I am Elise Blue user, I want algo trading with next level bot, please give me my trading account API, and please set redirect URL, and just fill up your client ID and email ID. Okay, so once you get the reply back, just copy your client secret and input over that column in next level bot. Okay, then click add API, and after adding API just go to Elise Blue, and now you can verify your input details. Initially this will be crossed, so just click over it and it should turn into green. Okay, let it start. Okay, now you go to Alice Blue, and yes, it's green. It means your bot is now connected with your broker and all set. But still it is not in live mode. We need to do some more settings at later stage. Next step is to identify the stock code for Alice Blue, and for that right click Alice Blue symbol and open in new tab. Okay, on the trading view chart you can see that Tata Consumer is now on sell call, so I'll be placing an order on buy call when the trend change. So now go back to Alice Blue symbol tab, type here to search for Tata Consumer, and you can see the code is 3432. Okay, this code we'll be using in the next tab, so either you memorize it or write it down somewhere. Now go to Next Level Bot main page and open Beta Syntax in new tab. Okay, once the page opens, go to Alice Blue. Okay guys, here are different types of order: regular and cover order, bracket order. This is to cancel or full algo and regular exit. Guys, full algo, cover order, bracket order and cover order, bracket order. The difference is cover order and bracket order will, like for example, if I already have 10 stocks of SBI and again another buy triggers and the cover order is put for another buy of 10 quantities, my existing 10 plus a new 10, so altogether it becomes 20 stocks. Okay, whereas if you go to full algo, what it does is when new buy triggers, it first cancels my existing orders and places a new order. Okay, so how it works is, suppose if I put my code on buy and sell, so first trigger buy, it buys, and when the sell triggers, it cancels my buy and take and short another 10. Okay, so that is the difference between full algo and BO. So I prefer full algo and we'll go for buy order. Okay, my trading simple, you have to put the code for Alice Blue 3432, right? 3432. I'll be doing this one. Quantity, how much quantity you want to trade. For demo I am putting only one, and what I'm looking for a buy. Okay, so transaction is buy, order is market. Price, guys, put 0 for market order, and stop loss and all you set. So I put 1 rupee stop loss, and SO is square of what's your target. Okay, so I'll put 1. If you want 1%, just click, it becomes 1%, otherwise it make 1 point. Okay, so 1 rupee I put, you click generate code. Okay, this is a code generated, just click copy and you can close it. Now you go to tradingview.com, select my tool, right click, add alert. I'm looking for a buy once per bar, and just scroll down in the message, guys, deleting and paste our code. Okay, and another thing, one more thing we have to set is this webhook URL, guys. Please select webhook URL, and what you have to paste it there is just go to your dashboard and here you get webhook URL, guys. You have to copy this. Basically, if you click once, it gets copied. Okay, so then I delete all, then I paste my webhook. Okay guys, so our alert is set. You can see we come over there. Okay, Tata Consumer. So let's start the bot now. This is set, this is finished. Okay, now how to activate is, you go to exchange. This is the final step so that it becomes live. Here once you subscribe, guys, you get these items. Otherwise, if you are not paid members, you will not get this option. You click Alice Blue, then you have to put your login IDs. Okay, your 2FA question answers. Okay guys, if it is success, then you will get a blank page. If there is an error, there will be some error notification. If it is blank, your bot is now live. So when a buy signal triggers, it will get connected automatically, and Hi friends, as you can see now Tata Consumers have triggered an alert, and also if you notice over here I added few more alerts like HDFC Bank, SEAL and ITC because I wanted some alerts to trigger quickly so that I can show the in real market how this algo works. And the process I am not explaining here because it's the same like what we did for Tata Consumers. And down over here if you see Tata Consumers alert got triggered on 12:24:40 seconds, and let's see how fast our bot placed an order in the live market. Okay, if you see on completed one, Tata Consumers got placed on 12:24:45, so that means only 5 seconds it took to place an order, and that is too quick because if you do it manually it will take at least 30 seconds. And over here in the pending column if you see, that's our stop loss and target. As we set 1 rupees stop loss and 1 rupees target, you can see over here SL is 349.65 and target is 351.65. and on the portfolio you can see right now we are on the profit side, and we'll wait and see how it performs, whether SL will hit or target will hit. Stay tuned and keep watching. I'll be fast forwarding the video to reduce the overall length, but you can watch how the price goes up and down. Okay guys, so I already explained how easily you can do an algo trading guys. It's nothing big. All you need is the bot subscription and follow the procedures, and please use our link, referral link, to open an account. Okay guys, and also if you have not yet tried our trend trading tool guys, please try it. It's quite accurate. In my opinion you'll get at least 70 to 80% accuracy guys. There's no tool which gives 100%, so but never mind whatever I am getting. You try yourself because it's absolutely free. The tool is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for trial. Just try and satisfy the result by yourself, then only you go for it guys. And yeah, that's it guys. If you have any queries, just put in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon guys. And once again thank you for the participation, and see you back with another good videos like this.